what people don't know is I stare at myself for like 5 minutes before I start shooting. My hands are blue because I dyed my hair yesterday, and I didn't use gloves for like the first 5 minutes because I didn't know I had gloves. So yeah. I apologize for my blue fingers. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I have braces. I hope it doesn't bother like with the lighting because they're really reflective, and I might sound like I have a lisp, so I am so sorry for that. I was gonna tell you guys, I thought of something to call you guys, and I was thinking, you know, since my channel name is Miss Lovesick, I could call you guys my lovelies. And I know it's cute as hell, and I'm usually not like that, but I thought it was fitting because of the channel name, and I already explained it, so I don't know why I'm going over it again. It doesn't really matter. Today I'm going barefaced because I'm really feeling my skin today. I'm gonna let it rest for a while. It's pretty clear, like I have a few scars, like acne scars, and that's fine. I'm just gonna rock them today. I have a little wing tutorial for you guys. I'm just gonna throw on liner and some lipstick or lip gloss, and that's gonna be about it for my makeup look today. And I also wanted to review this product right here. I can't find the label. I wanted to review this product right here. It's the Nyx Vynil liquid liner, and whoever knows me knows that I do not use like liquid liners. I usually go for like a felt tip marker, which I'm gonna show you the difference right now. There's mainly 3 different types of liners. So we have the stick one, which I usually use for my waterline because it's easier, it doesn't fade. This is a Nyx Jumbo Eye Pencil. So it's not necessarily like a liner, but I use it as a liner. It works really well. This is in the shade Black Bean, which I will be using today. I also usually go for this Revlon Colors Shea liner. This is Blackest Black. This is what I meant by felt tip marker. It's kind of like velvety. I don't know if you can see that well. It's in essence a marker. And the difference between a felt tip marker and a liquid liner, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick, or at least attempt to. So the difference is that besides the state of the liner, is that the felt tip marker, I feel it's easier to use to learn. Like if you're learning to do your liner, you should probably try out the felt tip first, because the liquid liner, I feel like it's a lot harder to manage. You're not exactly in control of the amount of liquid that comes out of the little brush. So I'm still gonna review it because I feel like I'm a pro at liners, but we're just gonna give this a try. Okay, so the liquid liner actually has just a little bit more product than my felt tip liner from Revlon. So I would say in terms of the amount of product, this is probably a lot better and maybe even more worth your money. I guess it depends on if you're starting out or not. And this lasts 6 months, and this one expires in about a year. So you also have more time to use this product. Yeah, what I do is I trace a line from the outer corner of my eye towards the end of my brow. So I very carefully place that. Now, what you want to be careful with the liquid liner is that it doesn't dry too fast. So you're gonna have to wait just a little bit so that it dries completely and you're able to finish the look. So after that, we're just gonna start from this end of what you just drew on towards the inner corner of your eye. Now, this totally depends on the look you want to do, but personally, I like taking it all the way towards the end. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Me encanta porque yo dije, I'm a pro at this, and then I go and ruin my liner. Okay, so now what you want to do is just fill in the rest of it and try your best not to go out of the lines, because you just basically perfected your winged liner from the outside first, and then you just fill in the rest. I feel like this is the easiest way to do your winged liner. Okay, same thing over here. We're just gonna draw the line from the outer corner towards the end of your eyebrow. What you can also do to make it easier is stop halfway when you're coming from the tip of the eyebrow towards the inner corner, and then come back over from the inner corner towards the end of the eyebrow, like I just showed you on the video. Don't be scared to go back and fix any mistakes. I know it's nerve-wracking because usually you end up making this one longer and then this one thicker, so you have to make this one thicker and this one longer. Like, it's okay. You gotta practice, because practice makes perfect. Okay, now that I'm done and I'm happy with my wing liner, I'm just gonna grab the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean, and I'm going to apply this in my waterline, mostly at the top, but the bottom waterline I'm just gonna bring halfway from the outer corner to the middle, and that's it. I'm just gonna leave the rest blank because it opens up my eye. Now this step, I feel like there's no technique for applying. I feel like it's however you feel comfortable with because it's so close to your eye. However you see fit is how you will apply this step to your face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply a little bit mascara and lipstick, and then we donezo. I just applied some clear lip gloss. This is the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter lip gloss that I bought for like $3. But yeah, that's about it, guys. This is the look for today. It's basically nothing, but yeah, this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and share with your friends, please. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, YouTube.